Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today I have the magnetohydrodynamic pump set up again. This time I took the anode out and replaced it with a piece of stainless steel stainless steel, and that is copper. So I have a stainless steel plate there, and that's the positive from the charged side of the Bedini circuit. And this is the positive from the bridge rectifier that's coming off this coil right here. This is the negative from that bridge rectifier, and this is the negative from the charged side of the Bedini circuit. 12.5 amp hour, or 12 volt battery, 7.5 amp hour. And it just comes out of there. It's going to go into that coil, come out of that coil into the Bedini motor, and energize the pump. So we are at 12.2, and let's see how she works. And she gets running. Kind of hard to see it, but it is pumping water. So not that much debris in the water. I just cleaned it. Let's see what we got across here. We got 4.6 volts across the two plates. The run batteries at 1199. Okay, just to show you that that's real energy there, I have a 12 volt light here. So get a 12 volt light with 4.6. I'll hook that one there. And this one here, we went down to 3.4, and the light is lit. Take it off once. We go back up to 4.6, 4.6. And the light is lit. We're back down to 3.5, 3.4 again. So I'll do that again. Light is out. We're at 4.6. And the light is lit. And we're at 3.4. So think about approximately 1.2 volts to light that to that much intensity. Now I'm going to take the negative from the charged side of the Bedini circuit off. Now our charge there, we still have 3.4 across the plates. The light is lit. Let's slide this over a little bit. It's moving the water very slowly. You got that light on there. It seems to suck up a lot of the juice, but it is still moving. It's still pumping the water. So we have a mini window motor with a Bedini SSG monopole circuit being run from a 12 volt battery, pulsing a coil on the front side and energizing this pump, and also energizing with the positive lead off the charge side of the Bedini motor. So we have a water capacitor charged to 3.3 volts. We have a 12 volt bulb being lit with approximately 1.2 volts. And we have a magnetohydrodynamic pump, all working at the same time, being pulsed by the Bedini circuit. And our run battery is at 1197. Now this light on here I think is really taxing the run battery. But we still have movement. It's still pumping very slowly. I'm going to take the light off of it. The charge between the plates goes up to 5.8, and we have a lot better flow. Between the plates. I'm going to hook the negative of the Bedini motor back up again. So you can hear its speed back up again. The run battery is holding 1197. It's bouncing between 1197 and 1196. We have 4.8 volts across the plates. And we have a lot more pumping, a lot better pumping action. I'm going to slide the plates. Well, let's look at this one first. That one there has hydrogen bubbles on it. And this one here doesn't have anything like yet. So let's slide them in here. A little bit. Slide them together. So I got them slid together there. The plates are a little bit warped. But we'll see what we got here. They're about 1/4 inch apart. Now you can really see the debris that's in the water there really moving a lot faster. We're at 4.4 volts charged across the plates. And if you can see down there, the bubbles on the copper plate have really started producing a lot more bubbles there. And if we look down inside there, we can see oxygen bubbles collecting on the stainless steel plate. Now in my other video I had this plate as the anode, and you can see that it just oxidized badly, and I wasn't getting any oxygen production in the form of bubbles on the water, because it was all being converted to oxidize the copper plate. And that's where my oxygen went, right there, into that red oxide right there. And then let's see, get a better look at it. That red oxide. And then this was the other plate that I had on the other side, and this is where the production of the hydrogen was, and it's kind of turned blue there, and the water was also blue. Now this water here will turn orange because of the stainless steel. You can see the orangish pieces in there, but we are pumping water, and we have bubbles coming off of both the stainless steel plate, although it's hard to see them down there. But they are popping. You can see them popping up there. And then the bubbles on that plate as well. So we have hydrogen and oxygen. So now our run battery is 1196. We are pulsing this coil with the Bedini circuit on the front side hooked onto the plates, and the charge side of the Bedini motor hooked to the plates. The plates are about a quarter of an inch apart. So now we have a water capacitor that's charged to 4.5 volts. We have a magnetohydrodynamic water pump that's pumping water between these plates. Plus we have the production of hydrogen and oxygen between the two plates. So we have, what we're looking here is a hydrogen generator, a water capacitor, and a magnetohydrodynamic water pump, all at the same time being run by this mini window motor with the Bedini SSG monopole circuit. And our battery is holding at 11.96 volts. We're still charged to 4.5, and we're pumping. We are pumping water, and we're making hydrogen and oxygen, and we have a capacitor charged to 4.5 volts, and our run battery is still at 11.96. I'm going to take this little piece of wire that I got here, this little piece of wire here, and I'm going to short out the two plates right across here. Okay, so it's back up to 4.5 volts, 4.6. The run battery is still at 1196. And we're still pumping here. So you can see it moving down there. Maybe I can give it a little shake here. Uh-oh. Sort it out. Yeah, there we go. And so you can see it coming in. Adjust it here a little bit. Okay, we're still pumping. Run battery is still at 1196. We got 4.7 volts there, and I'm going to hit the light one more time just to light the light. And the battery is still at 1196. Still pumping. 4.47. That's it. It's amazing. So much fun. The most wonderful toy I ever got. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day. Peace.